PurpleYarnivore. Hi, how are you doing? I am happy to finally get this video out. It is delayed. I had storage issues on my phone and couldn't save anything or upload anything, and it was really frustrating, but I was finally able to upgrade my storage for a fee. Thank you, Google. And ready to make this video and get it recorded for you. So this video today is the results of the December make along of the shawl or wrap. Why do I keep saying shawl? The wrap, okay, which is in this book. Okay, you can find this book on Amazon, not affiliated, not sponsored, but this is the book I'm working out of. It's a make-along. If you want to join in, you need to either rent it from your library or buy it online on Amazon. There's different ways that you can get this book. So Tuesday, and by the way, I've had speech issues. I don't know what it is, but the past few days, I have not been able to talk straight. And I don't even do drugs or drink or anything. Maybe that's the problem. I don't know. Anyway, so December's make-along was this blanket wrap. And at the time I started this, I did not have the yarn that is in the pattern, which is the Scarfy Bulky number 5. So what I did, oh, I see that they used an L11 crochet hook in this pattern. Okay, whatever. So what I did, I thought I went up a hook size, but now that I'm looking at it, I did not. So anyway, there is another subscriber who sent in beautiful pictures of her finished item, and it is beautiful, and it is much wider than mine, okay? But I just decided I wanted to make it not as many rows as in the book. Like these patterns are totally like adjustable for the size that you want. This, you didn't have to make like, you know, however many rows it said. You can make less rows or more rows if you wish. So that was the adjustable part of this pattern. So for my wrap, I used Big Twist Freelance. Okay. This is a Joann's product, so you can go to Joann's and get this yarn. It is 206 yards, 100% premium acrylic. I use the color Blue Green Multi, which that's what that looks like. And just to interrupt myself, I'm sorry about the lighting. It gets dark here so early, as it does in most places, and I don't have a ring light, and it broke actually. So my living room light is like right over here, okay? And there is a bright glare, and I'm sorry for that. So just hang in with me until I get my taxes back and I can buy a really cool ring light, okay? Or maybe even just those boxes, those light boxes things, whatever. Anyway, it will be remedied soon, so just hang in there with me. Hang in there. Anyway, so this, I don't know if I can, this is the color, and it is very pretty. So also, let me tell you something. I don't like to do fringe or tassels. Not so much, okay? But I will now and then. Anyway, so I don't know how many rows I did. I just eyeballed the width of it for what I wanted. Okay. And this is how it turned out. And as you can see, I did do fringe. I didn't do it as thick as the pattern called because that's just a lot of fringe. But I did the amount of fringe that I felt comfortable and happy with. So this is how it turned out. You know, I really, really like this pattern, okay? To me, this is a keeper. So if I put it around myself, I'm wearing a hoodie right now, but if I put it around myself, it's perfect. You know, it's still really wide. It still covers me really well, okay? So that's how wide it is. That's plenty for me, okay? That's plenty. And I might take this pattern, or this stitch, I should say, not the pattern, but I might take this stitch that they used in the pattern and make a little poncho with it. I think that would be really nice. And after I got about halfway through this, okay, I did go to Joann's and hit the big one on their Lion Brand sale that they had. And I did end up getting 5 skeins of scarfy yarn, which was hard because, you know, I went into Joann's and I would find three skeins of this color or 4 skeins of that color, and I wanted 5, okay? And I wasn't about to go store hopping to get it. So I did finally find 5 skeins of one color. And to me, I didn't even care what the color was. I just wanted 5 skeins of scarfy yarn because I love colors. I love colors. Obviously, purple is my favorite, mostest favorite color in the whole world. Has been since I was 8 and I'm 46 years old. So it's been my favorite color for a really long time. But I love all colors. I love just every color in the world, okay? And I like to be creative with colors, which this past year was a really big goal of mine. And I succeeded. I used some colors that I never would have used before. Oh my God, is that a cat hair? I think that was a cat hair. And I combined colors that I would have never combined before. So that was last year was successful for me. And I learned 2 new knit stitches. So yeah, maybe for some that's a little slow going. But anyway, one more time, I'm going to show you my finished wrap. Oh, I love it. I love it. That's what it looks like. See, that's plenty of fringe. Like, you don't have to go crazy with the fringe. And that's what it looked like. And the freelance, oh, and the freelance yarn, by the way, is a medium 4 weight. Okay. And I made my daughter a poncho with this same yarn. Plus, I think I still have like 3 or 4 cakes of this left over. I had like 9. I had 9 of these cakes. I made a wrap, I made a poncho, and I still have 3 or 4 cakes left. So, you know, this wrap was not at all a yarn eater. For the size that I made, I should say. Now, I did have a subscriber send in a picture of her finished wrap, and it is beautiful. She used 2 4-weight yarns together, And she made hers really wide, and probably 2 4-weight yarns make like a 6-weight, I would guess. Um, but hers is, it looks so nice and thick and blankety almost, and really beautiful. And I wanted to crawl inside the picture and snuggle under her wrap. Angela, again, you hit it out of the ballpark. You made a beautiful wrap, and I hope that you get a lot of use out of it. Anyway, on to her photos. This is January now, so I hope more people are able to participate. I will leave my email in the description box, and you can send me your finished product at any time that you are done with it. Send me pictures of it. So, and if your YouTube ID is different from your email, include your YouTube ID in the email so that I can show your finished make-alongs on my videos every month. Okay, I will make one video usually within the first week of the following month of the make-along. So the first week of January, I'm showing December. The first week of February, I'll be showing January. You get a full month to make one project. So I'm already thinking about February's project. So excited, so excited. Anyway, hop on board. You know, Christmas is over now. I feel like there's some of you out there that are doing this make along, but maybe you don't want it to be shared in a video, or oh, that's another thing. If you want to show me your make, but you don't want it in a video, still email me and say that you don't want it in a video, but you wanted to show me what you did. Holy cow, everybody is so unique and different, and they use different yarns and different weights and different sizes. My goodness, I so want to see what you've done. So still email me, okay? And if you don't want it in a video, if you are too shy or too embarrassed or whatever it is, just say so in the email, and I won't include you in a video, but I would still love to see your makes. Anyway, enough rambling, enough. Let's get on to Angela's pictures. Here they are.